the best priced D350 new generation Range Rover for sale in the UK. This model is a 72, couple of days old, registered, D350 HSE. The 350 is 3-litre diesel, but the more enhanced, powerful brake horsepower. On top of that, it's the HSE. And I've sold quite a few SE models, and I've had a lot of people asking us for the D350 and the HSE model. This is finished in Santorini Black. On top of it being a HSE, it's got 23-inch wheels. It's got electric deployable Towbar. It's got sliding sunroof. It's got a beautiful birch wood inside, which is more of a grey-black colour, which is a stunning interior. It's got shadow line exterior styling. It's got privacy glass, but it's the HSE. So the HSE gives you a heads-up display, heated and cooled seats. We've got adaptive cruise control. We've got digital LED headlights at the front. The shadow line exterior styling gives you the badging, the inserts, the sections, all finished in graphite instead of it being the standard nickel colour, if you like. And I like the graphite as opposed to everything being black. 23-inch wheels, massive option, split spoke there, finished in high gloss black, beautiful. And obviously this car is got 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover assist, and it's priced on the money to sell. These nude style Atlas vents in like a U shape, again with a shadow line exterior, gives you that colour finished in graphite. We've then got the new deployable door handles. We've got privacy glass on the back. And then you've got them stunning, look at them lights at the back. I'm going to press that again. How nice do they look? And with the car being the 350, it makes a huge difference to how the car performs because it just purrs along. Yesterday, I was in one of these new generation Range Rovers, diesel, and I was talking to a guy and the car was running, and I got asked a question. He said, is that petrol? Because the car is that quiet. For a diesel engine, they've done something when they've built them, and the engine is so quiet. And I think it's important because a lot of customers who I've been selling these cars to have swayed from petrol to the diesel because economy, a little bit better torque, a little bit more of a better grunt when you drive them. But I think they're so quiet, that's a lot of the reasons why people like the petrol. You can see you've got memory seats, you've got Meridian 3D surround with it being a HSE, you've got heads-up display, and that's the birch wood I'm talking about. You can see that in the centre console. It is stunning. You've got that huge, I think it's 13.1 inch screen in the centre, which is massive. HSE gives you a beautiful extended leather steering wheel, which is heated. You've got your adaptive cruise control. You've got your heads-up display. And the car smells brand new. It's beautiful. Sliding sunroof. On a HSE, sliding sunroof is an option. They come with a fixed glass roof as a standard HSE, so that is an expensive option. Other features. Let's go into the main menu. So like I said, you've got this huge new digital touchscreen. If I go to the main menu and just point out some of the key features, HSE gives you heated and gives you cooled seats. And in the rear, the same, heated and cooled front, heated and cooled rear. If we go back to the main menu, you've got things like cabin lighting, which is, just quickly show you, press that, ambient lighting basically, all the different new options for the interior. Go back the home screen. On a HSE, you get the Alexa as well, again, so that's great. Park assist, the camera system, look at this, is absolutely superb. Full 3D surround camera system, and because of that larger screen, you get a huge camera when you're driving. Extra clear sight camera in the mirror there as well. So it's got pretty much everything you would want. Beautiful interior. On top of that, it's got the lovely features, the right wheels, the shadow line, the privacy glass. Soft closed doors is standard now. Rear electric seats. This birch finish is really, really nice. You've got the Meridian speakers in the back, the cabin lighting running through the rear of the car. And then as we move round, split folding, electric tailgate. You can drop all the seats down if you wish to from here, and you've got the electric Towbar, which just works off that button. Very expensive option again, and this car has got it. So if you are looking for a new generation Range Rover, you might have one on order, you keep getting delayed, and you'll keep getting delayed. We have the best price D350 HSE available here today to collect. You can call me direct, reserve it, and come and collect it within 24 hours. It's physical. You're not waiting for it. It is here. Thank you for watching.